Welcome to our channel. In-depth look at the 2025 Lamborghini Revuelto, the electrifying hybrid supercar redefining performance and luxury. Exterior. The Revuelto boasts a bold, aerodynamic design with Y-shaped LED headlights, aggressive air intakes, and a sculpted hood. Carbon fiber elements enhance its lightweight structure, while the signature scissor doors add that classic Lamborghini flair. Performance. Under the hood, the Revuelto features a 6.5L V12 engine paired with 3 electric motors, delivering a staggering 1,001 horsepower. It rockets from 0 to 60 mph in just 2.5 seconds, with a top speed exceeding 217 miles per hour. An all-wheel drive system and an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission ensure razor-sharp handling. Interior. Step inside to a driver-focused cockpit featuring a digital instrument cluster, a large infotainment screen, and a passenger display. Premium Alcantara, carbon fiber, and a futuristic steering wheel create a race-inspired yet luxurious environment. Safety features. Lamborghini integrates advanced safety tech, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, parking sensors, and a 360-degree camera. The carbon fiber monocoque ensures top-tier crash protection. Prices. Starting at around $600,000, the Revuelto is a masterpiece of engineering, exclusivity, and performance. Outro. That's a wrap on the 2025 Lamborghini Revuelto. Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more supercar content.